Hey YouTube, this is The Green Cabbie with We Is the Future, where we're spending more time with our family doing reviews, doing cooking videos, as well as doing more family time, more things where we can enjoy the quality of our time and our life. I recently did lose my job, so we're probably going to be giving you a lot more videos, a lot more tips, tricks, and information, so please join us for that. Thumbs down to losing the job, but I am spending more time with the family, which is nice, and we're going to focus on our YouTube as well as some other business ventures to see what we can do to spend more time together. Today I'm wearing my almost one of my favorite shirts. I just recently got this for Father's Day. I love it, and so I'm going to be in there. If you like it, please give us a big thumbs up. Alright, so today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be doing sweet tea. Now this is Southern style sweet tea, very simple, very quick. So if you're on the run, you can make a gallon at a time for pennies on the dollar, so you don't have to go to McDonald's or Bill Miller's or any of those other places out there and you're going to spend $1 for a cup, $2, $3 for a cup. You're going to be able to make a gallon at a time, super quick, super easy, and we're going to show you how. Alright, so the four things you're going to need is you're going to need sugar, alright? You're going to need family-sized tea bags, alright? This is for the ICED brand, but there are many ones out there that have family-sized tea bags. I think it's for 2 tea bags, they recommend 8 cups of water, alright? So that's what you'll be looking for, family-sized tea bags, as well as you're going to need a coffee maker. Coffee maker is what makes it super quick and easy. You can also use a tea maker if you want, but what we're going to be doing is we're going to be taking our tea bags, alright? And you just pull them out, just like so. Alright, you're going to pull them out, and then what you're going to do is make sure it's evenly distributed in the pack. Alright, and then you're just going to place it in your coffee maker. So let me show you that right now. Alright, so you just place them in there on top of each other. So this is basically like you're using a coffee strainer. And then what we're going to do is when we heat up the water, it comes through and it's actually going to brew your tea for you. Alright, so once you have your tea bags in there, you're just going to go ahead and shut this, alright? There's no need for a coffee filter. You just go ahead and place this where it goes, and then you're going to add your water. Now, when you add your water, you're going to have 10 cups in your water pitcher, container, whatever you call it, plus you're either going to have a gallon container or a jug or whatever, a receptacle where you're going to place it. What we're going to do is we're going to teach you a little trick and tip right now. So what you're going to do is add in your water. This is going to heat it up and turn it into hot water. Alright, and you're going to place 10 cups in there. Okay, now what your tip and trick is so that you don't have to do a lot of mixing, what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and take the sugar that you're going to add, and for this recipe, we're going to be doing 4 of the family-sized tea bags, 2 cups of sugar, and 20 cups of water. Alright, so it does recommend 16 cups, but for this recipe, for the Southern style sweet tea, we're going to do 20 cups. So we're going to add 4 cups on top of that. So what you do is you just place your tea receptacle in there. It's going to have the sugar in it, and what it's going to do is going to bring down the hot water, and it's going to allow that sugar to melt so that it is easily blended when you put your water back and forth. Alright, so we're just going to turn on the coffee maker, and it's going to allow it to start brewing. This is going to take about 3 to 4 minutes, and you're going to be able to create 1 gallon of sweet tea. Now, if you want to be able to drink that sweet tea right away, what we suggest is having your 10 cups of water here, alright? And then when you have your 10 cups of water here, you want to have ice cold water for your other 10 cups, and that will allow you to take the 2 and be able to drink it right away. If you don't care about drinking it right away, you can have hot water in here or lukewarm water in here as well, and then when you're done, throw it right in the fridge, chill it for an hour, and it'll be ready to drink. So what we're going to do is we're going to let this brew, and we'll come right back to you.